teacher Amy. I'm a professional music teacher. I teach piano and guitar until advanced level. And also, I can teach ukulele and violin for beginners only. I love playing music instruments, especially piano and guitar. And also, I can sing at the same time. And also, I love traveling. That's why the name of my YouTube channel is Musician Travelism. Now I'm going to teach you how to play Strangers in the Night. Okay. Only single note with the left hand. Left hand is the one that has box. So that means its left hand was C, 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 C. E minor or single note of A minor is A, then D, then G, then another D, 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 very easy. D minor, G, C. Okay, that's all the chords. It's very easy. Okay, then right hand is C, D, D, C, D. Okay, let's now start playing it. Okay, if the notes align, that means you have to play it with both hands. C and C, the first note. C, D, D, C, D. Then C left hand. C, D, E, D, C. Together. C, B, C, C, B, C. And C. Left hand C. B, C, D, C, B. Left hand C. A, B, B, A, B. Left hand A minor. A, B, C, B, A. D left hand. F. Then left hand again, G. Single note. Okay, D and D. D, D, E, left hand D. D, E, F, E, D. D minor, left hand. C, D, D, C, D. Left hand again, D minor. D. C, D, D, C, B. C, C, B, C. Left hand, G. B, C, D, C, B. G2, higher G here. Okay, and then left hand C. 2, 3, 4, and then another C with the left hand. 3, 4, left hand G minor, higher G, right hand. Okay, so it's G, F, F, E, E. G minor again. F, F, G, G, F, F, E. Left hand A. G, F, F, E, E. Another left hand A. G, G, I, F, F, G, G, F, F, E. F, E, E, D, D. Yeah, then same F. F, E, D, D. Then left hand C. F, E, E, D, left hand A. B, C, B, C, left hand D, D, E, E, D, D, C, C, B, A, B, sing C, C, D, D, C, D, left hand C, B, C, D, C, B, C, F, B, C, D, E, D, C, then B, C, C, B, C, left hand C, B, C, D, C, B, left hand D, A, B, B, A, B, left hand G, B, C, D, C, B, C together C, another C left hand, hold it, and then done. So easy version, so easy to play. Strangers in the Night and piano. Thank you for watching. If you like my video music tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe, and also comment below. And also hit the notification button so you will be notified whenever I upload a music tutorial video. Your like, subscription, and comment will make a huge encouragement for me to pursue my music tutorial channel here in YouTube. And also I will make a 30 music tutorial videos for 30 days starting today. And the next upload after 30 music tutorial would be only twice or once a week. Thank you very much for watching.